Hello guys and welcome back to DashCam channel, a channel that features only the craziest road moments scored on driver's dashcam, and we'll start today's episode off with a careless driver who ran a red light and it came with a heavy price to pay. Pay close attention at the driver in front of the camera, and in this video you will see once again why bad road conditions and icy roads can be really dangerous for everyone in traffic. This crazy van driver broke multiple laws. First, he was speeding. The second, he didn't pay attention at the road markings or lanes at all since he didn't know how they function. Check this crazy encounter out and make sure to write me your opinion about his driving. A lot of drivers don't know, or they're deliberately playing ignorant, but I'm here to remind you that indicating does not give you the right of way. When you indicate, you also need to check your side view mirrors before changing lanes. Well, at least if you want to make a safe lane change, that is. In this video, the camera put a compilation of some fails made by random drivers in traffic, so make sure to pay close attention at all of these mistakes, take notes, and try your best to learn out of them. After all, that's the purpose of this channel, since we definitely don't need more accidents out there on the roads. The most important thing in this video is that no one got injured, but what happened was that one lady made an illegal U-turn from the far lane and smashed into another lady that was turning right.
If I don't want to go see it again, I can give it to somebody else, though. Yes? So it's not like attached to my name. Oh, okay. That was really close. Wow, good eye, Steve. No, we almost got an accident. Yeah, it was.
Depending on how often they drain. ASIM's eyes, their generals, have never been captured. Chapter 4 have the advantage. Her eyes flare like she's come to the same conclusion as we circle each other, and then they narrow in a way that makes my stomach clench. Devera may have set the rules, but something tells me Cat is about to break them. Does it bother you? She asks.
And with this video, we conclude another amazing episode on DashCam channel. I hope you guys enjoyed watching, and maybe picking up a thing or two based on how to properly behave in traffic. After all, that's the purpose of this channel. If you truly like this type of content, make sure to leave a like because that would really help us out a lot. And while you're at it, subscribe and click on the bell button to stay up to date with all the latest content we put out. Until the next episode, drive safe and stay safe, guys.